Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. It's Ian, the 24th of October. And in this video, we're going to cover a great strategy for, again, using testimonials to not only build your directory, if you're building a WordPress directory, but also to build your brand and business as a digital media agency. So, a lot of people have been commenting about the videos I've been doing on using testimonials as a service, offering that as a service to either local businesses or niche neighbors or people who are professional peers. Let's say you're in the mindfulness space like we are, or you're selling local services to restaurants in a local community, or you're building a local directory, or you're selling services to specific niches like financial advisors, CPAs, realtors, etc. This is really a quintessential business opportunity for really everybody, simply because how easy it is and how unending the potential client community can be if you do this properly. So, some folks who are in our cohort for our Mindful Marketplace private community have asked about using WordPress as a software or as a CMS to offer this sort of service as well. Up to this point, I've been doing videos on using Card and Ghost and those sorts of platforms. So I'm going to show you a really simple way of doing this on WordPress. So here is a directory example marketplace that I created. This is using a WordPress theme that I really like. And essentially, all we're going to do here is show a wall of love on this blog post on this directory, right? So again, this is the demo content that the testimonial service offers for you to test how this is going to be stylized and how it's going to look aesthetically and otherwise on your site. So I just took this code right from their community. I'm going to show you how I did that in a second, and how to actually replicate this. And again, this is a great way of actually selling featured listings on a community as well, on a directory. This is actually a blog post, but you could actually offer this as an additional service to folks who had a premium listing on your community, creating a blog post that actually showed all of their testimonials, all of their wall of love, customer comments and compliments, etc. And you can also embed this on a listing as well within your community too. And I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. All right, so let's go really quickly back to the testimonial community, or the testimonial software that I recommend. We're going to copy this software again. I mean, it's already copied, but I just want to show you how you would do it. And now you're going to go and you're going to add a new post. And let's say you're doing some local community for for all businesses. Doesn't have to be just pizza places or just financial advisors or just realtors. Let's say it's a local directory you're building on WordPress in your community, and you want the maximum amount of excuse me, potential clients. So let's say we say Ian's Pizza Restaurant. All right, all you're going to do is, we have the code copied already. You want to pick the custom HTML block. You're going to paste in that wall of love. And again, this is understanding that you're creating this for your clients, right? So you're selling this service. You're not pasting in the default, sample code. You're actually offering this as a high-end service to Ian's Pizza Restaurant in this case, and you're going to be creating a listing on the site for Ian's Pizzeria. And in addition, you're also going to have a blog post like this one that features all of the customer compliments, reviews, testimonials, etc. for my pizza restaurant. All right, we're going to publish this. We're going to view the post. And as you can see down here, all of the testimonials are embedded on Ian's Pizza Restaurant. All right, we can dress this up a little bit using some of the theme specific features. Let's say we want to add a featured listing. Let's use this one. We're going to add some All right, so let's update this now so you can see a little bit more aesthetic flair to this. All right, so now you have the testimonials here, and now you're actually recommending, Ian's Pizza is our favorite pizza in town. If you're new here, just passing through, this is our number one recommendation for October 2022. Check out some of the great reviews below. They ain't lying. All right, and you have the share. This can be shared, obviously, which your client, in this case, Ian's Pizza Restaurant, certainly is probably going to do. So you're going to generate more traffic to your directory. And it's just a great way of using the blog functionality and the testimonial as a service as a great way of building an asset, building your own web directory or local community, and in addition, selling this high-end service, which you're going to be getting testimonials for, or collecting testimonials for your clients, curating them from where they already exist in the world. So, whether that's on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, Yelp, or wherever, you have this great opportunity. Or you can actually facilitate the collection of testimonials too. You can create an email campaign for your clients. You can actually do outreach for your clients. I mean, this is just the gift that keeps giving with respect to a business opportunity that is truly phenomenal. All right. So if you're interested in being part of our next cohort, which is coming up in the very beginning of November, in just about a week, I'm going to be leading a small group of people through building a digital media brand in our private course cohort, where you'll learn working with me how to build a business using this approach. In about 30 days, you'll have real clients, you'll be making real money, and it's ethical, it's easy, it's a no bullshit sort of, no guru, no gimmick, no silliness, there's no nonsense, there's no kind of unethical, superficial kind of nonsense that I see so many people selling online. This is a real legitimate business for real legitimate digital media brands, online agencies, designers, developers, home-based business folks. I mean, if you're just getting started working from home and you're interested in something that's really simple, scalable, and can be, is a high value sort of service to offer your clients that they're really going to like. I mean, who doesn't want a collection of their own testimonials in one place, all aggregated in one spot on a directory that celebrates them as the best place to get pizza in your town, your city, your state, etc. And of course, you can also take this very same code and offer that as a service to paste on their own website, right? You can offer that as a standalone service, so you can paste that into their WordPress site like I just did here for my own, or you can offer that as part of a sort of ongoing monthly kind of, sort of suite of these sorts of services that you're offering all together. And, you just kind of use your imagination and create the ideal offer that's ideal for you. All right. And your community, your clients, your, schedule, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you as always so much for watching. And again, if you're interested in working with me directly over the course of 30 days, I will show you exactly how to launch this sort of business and make great money literally in your first month, pretty much without any major hiccups. Okie doke. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.